Today, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. If you're wondering how to recover deleted photos on an iPhone in 2025, you're in the right place. We'll do this by using an app called iRecovery. iRecovery is an application that can recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. So, if you've ever deleted photos and then removed them from the trash bin, leaving no backup, you can use the iRecovery app to restore them. It works on all iOS versions, and I'll guide you through the process step by step in this video. Step 1. Install the iRecovery app. Visit the website shown in pinned comments the video. You'll see the link below in the comments section. Once on the website, follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. You don't need to jailbreak your device, and once installed, you can use the app to recover permanently deleted photos. After completing the setup, you're good to go. You can now recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone in 2025 using the iRecovery app. If you try this method, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future updates and tutorials.